Okay, we're just south of Narrabri. Severe looking storm here. That's where it's going to get dicey. Oh, CJ. Another dicey bit coming up. Come on, Forrest, crack off. Look at that hail shaft. A couple of nice bolts coming out of this, but I think it's spent. Look at the dust out there. Just east of Narrabri, coming in from the west. I think that'll be our next play.
So I'm thinking this road here.
Actually, I think by heading back to Moree, we're not going to miss out. Head north up the highway and get out of the rain. Just north of Narrabri. We're going to be chased by this line all the way back to Moree. Just north of Narrabri. I've put out the rain device, aka tripod. You watch it rain.
Oh yeah, that's going to get nasty.
Yeah, oh, here comes.
Like it was again the windy the other week.
Yeah. Look at this dust coming. Big whaley's mouth developing now. These outflow winds are going nearly the speed we're driving. That outflow down there. Real dust storm developing there. Yeah, you never know. Yeah.
I'm driving a green Ford Territory.
Here it comes. Gustnado, because I think there's slight rotation in it. Bloody hell. Black as.
Probably swung around to the east, northeast already.
Oh. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, pulsed a few times that one. Come on.
And now they're just, oh.
Oh, that was nice.
I don't think I've ever put it, oh, you're kidding.
Might have got that one. That was nice. Oh, they're getting closer out to the west again. Oh. Yeah, I've worked my magic again. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, that was close. One too late.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, in the paddock.
I'll try and find somewhere.
Just one bolt will do it. Ooh, and there it was, I think. Quite a. Ooh, that's nice. Pulse several times. Jeez. Oh, that was nice.
Game. Fully. And I mean, like,
What do you?
Moree's had 32 mil.
32?